Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session titled Meditation for Mindfulness. As always, please find your preferred comfortable seated position, whether that be on the floor as I am with my legs crossed, or in a chair with back support. Whatever you prefer or whatever's more comfortable. If you are ready, go ahead and close your eyes at this time. I'd like to start with 3 deep breaths in. The last one, deep breath in. I would like us to take a quick body scan. Maybe notice in our body wherever there might be tension located. Wherever you might find the location of tension, with every breath in and breath out, I would like you to explore that location of tension. For me, it's in my lower back. With every exhalation, my lower back becomes a little bit more relaxed. Bringing our attention now towards our breath. Maybe noticing any sensations that you feel on your nose or lips as you inhale. An important thing to remember in mindfulness meditation is that it's part of the practice for our mind to wander. It's natural and very normal for our minds, our thoughts to wander away from what it is that we're actually doing. So I don't want you to be hard on yourself or judge yourself negatively. Understand that a part of meditation is recognizing that your attention has shifted. And when we recognize that our attention has shifted, for example, we're focusing on our sensations that we may feel as we inhale and exhale. And now I noticed that my mind has wandered. I noticed today that I need to cut the grass. But instead of being upset at myself for my mind wandering to another thought, I acknowledge it and I just gently bring it back. I don't be overly hard on myself. I don't get bent out of shape, because it's not that I'm meditating wrong if other thoughts enters our minds. It's not. What it means is that we're just focusing on the practice, which means we acknowledge when our thoughts have shifted, and we just gently bring them back. Depending on how long you meditate, it could be 100 times you recognize that your mind has wandered. I don't want you to think that you're doing something wrong. As long as you take your seat here and take a moment for yourself, you're doing it right. What we're trying to accomplish is the disconnection of autopilot and try to become more present by focusing on our breathing, which is currently happening. When our thoughts drift to maybe a past memory or a future memory, the only issue with those is that you're not focusing on the present when you think about a memory or something that has not happened yet in the future. So the only time in our lives that we really have to make a change and a direct, adjust our direct position, is the only time we can do that is during the present, because the past has already happened. We can learn from it, yes, but we can't change it, and the future has yet to come. So the only thing that we truly have is the present. And our goal is to practice meditation, taking time for ourselves. And with practice, just like anything else, it will become easier. Great job today. I really mean it. If your eyes were closed and you are ready, go ahead and gently open them. Go ahead and start to maybe wiggle your toes and your fingers. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.